So, good luck to all of you. Thank you very much for being there again. Today is Fortune Thursday. Yesterday, hard luck. We had only 946. The 50 instead dropped 49. But that is part of the game. It is part of the game. The game was looking for difference 4. So that is why when the 50 went -1 to give you 49, the 46 must also give you different -1 to give you 45, to give you difference 4 with the 49. So NLA doesn't change the outcome of any game. Any plan that I put on this platform, if the number that didn't play, when I pick my paper back and do revision, I see my errors and my mistakes. I see my mistakes. Wherever I've gone wrong, I see it. So it's not the fault of NLA. When will Africa stop by and then do an introspection and tell themselves that I've done this and that, and I didn't do well, and this is where I have gone wrong, and I have to do revision, or I have to do this and that. Every day, Africa, there's somebody to blame for whatever is happening to them. If somebody dies in Africa, somebody killed a person. If somebody is sick, somebody did it. Everything, even the Lotto, if you don't use it, you say NLA, what can NLA do about your Lotto numbers? All these forecasters, great forecasters in Ghana, NLA will be tracking everybody to see that if you stake single 110, I must play single 111. If you Kojo stake 1020, oh, it's not true. It's not true. We didn't win. This is my telephone number. You see, 0246 127 0246 Congratulations yesterday if you win. Some have been sending me money. I'm thankful. But if you don't have my contact and maybe you are looking for the number to send me something, this is my contact. You can send it. I'm grateful for. I know if the two show had dropped, you would have sent something better than that. But better still, I'm appreciating whatever you are doing within your limit to send me something. I'm grateful. You've been there all this while, and we are willing to work together. Yeah, so today's Fortune Thursday, a great deal of something is coming. I have cooked something up, so we all enjoy it this evening, God willing. So this is my telephone number again. Look at it critically. Mr. Jordan Akachi, thank you very much for sending me something. I'm grateful. I've seen your money. I've seen others. Some from Canada, sent money yesterday. Some from US. I'm grateful. Italy, Libya. I'm grateful. All right. So the telephone number 0246 127 So NLA doesn't change the outcome of my numbers. I have accepted responsibility. I haven't done A or B well, and that is why I have lost. So accept your losses in good faith, so that we can know what we can do better later, and then forge ahead. It's not about blaming our losses on somebody. If my number was drop, it will drop. NLA can never do. Otherwise, it would 1046 drop. 1046 that drop in the 1990s that people won. Otherwise, will it drop? So the game I have today is a continuation of last week's plan. If you check, if I show the plan, if I finish showing the plan, go and compare it to last week's plan that I showed that dropped only the 75 and see all the mistakes I've done there. If I the game is such that if you use different methods, you get different set of numbers. If you use another method, you get a different set of numbers. So if your number doesn't play, it's just that you have followed a wrong pattern. We have just followed a wrong pattern. It's just like mathematics, where we were doing mathematics in those days. When the teacher set questions, you see, mathematics questions, they know all the methods you possible methods that you can use, and they know that if you use a certain method, you arrive at the wrong answer. If you can arrive at 9 or 10, so they will make sure they put all those wrong answers over there, but the correct one will be there. You see, so when you go and then follow a wrong method, you get the answer will be there. You'll be happy that you arrive at the right answer and pick it. Only for the teacher to come and tell you the answer is wrong. You might even keep challenging. And when the teacher finally solves the problem or the question on board, you realize your mistake. That is exactly how Lotto operates. Nobody can change the outcome of your numbers. Nobody. Thank you very much. So let me go. Have a wonderful game today. So follow this game and compare to last week's plan that I showed, and you see that where we have gone wrong. You would have said NLA cannot change anything. I'm telling you. 20 Thursday 83, then 41:38, addition of 79. You see, 20 83 41:38, addition 79. So you come here, 38. So you see here 20 was here, then here 38, then 75. Then you see 20, 59 here, addition 79. It's just that 20 is here, but it's looking for addition 79. So you see 38 and 41 here, addition 79. But here, when you come here and see 38 and then 75 here, because it's looking for addition 79, it will rather go and pick out 20 here and come and add to it to give you addition of that 79. That is it. As that kind of thing, you come and see a number will drop and jump 4 weeks to come and lock 2 numbers. So 27 jump 4 weeks to lock 850. You come and see these 2 numbers, 81, 89. You come here to the same thing. Single 2 jump 4 weeks. Single 2 jump 4 weeks and lock 764. You see, then you come and see these 2 numbers, packed, common numbers, packed. Then you come and see where this is where I've done a mistake last week. You come and see 34. Here you see 43. Alright. So that kind of means it is addition 79 figures. 38, one of them, 38, that came. You see, this 38, that 38 came. These 2 numbers, you see, this 38 came here. And this 83, you see, why here? Went here. This 83 went here. So they just cross path. This one came here, you see, and this one also came here. You understand it? So when you come here, it is this 59 right here. This is 79 figures. The 59 that came here. You see, the 59 came here. Then here the 75 also came here. You see. So last week it is this 38 and 83 and 34. This 38, 83 that came, and this one 34 came to 10. You see. So here the 59, 75 they were coming, and this one was supposed to 10 to give you 3 numbers, but I didn't see it. So if you didn't see it and the number dropped, master, don't blame anybody. So let's forge ahead. This is what I've seen. So if that happens, you see 19. So here you see 19. 19 was here. You see, the 19 was here. Alright. So when the 19 came, 1, 2, 3, it is this 83 that came. You see, the 83 that moved from here to here to here. The 83 will repeat 1 to 90. So the 75 that moved from here to here to here, it is 1 to 90. 75. You see, 75 is 1 to 90. Now, when the 75 was coming, this number, the 38 was here with 41 to give you addition 79, and here 20 was here with 59 to give you addition 79. So the 38 was the number that came here, and the 38 came. You see, and then here 59 was the number here, and it came here, and the 59 came again here. You understand it? But what we need to understand is that if the numbers that are giving addition 79, they are, look at the numbers, 41, 38, addition 79, then 59, 20, addition 79. But if you want to group them in such that you get difference of 18, this is what you have to do. You see, so give difference 18. So this and this are giving difference 18. This and this are also giving difference 18. So that is why this one was here, then came here and came back. When it came back, the difference 20 of that is 20. Difference 18 of that is there, the 20. So the 20 came. You see, so if this and this are also giving difference 18, the 59 was traveling from here to here and came here. So the difference 18 of that number is 41. So the 41 is 1 to 9. For 41 is my 1 to 90 banker today. You see, I said group the numbers into difference 18, even though they are addition 79, 79, 41, 38, 20, 20, this thing, 59, 79, 79. So what I said. So since this is coming here and came here, when over far this 20 and came here, so if the 59 too is moving from here, came here and drop, it is the 41 that will come because it's looking for difference 18. So this and this addition 79, this and this addition 79, but you must group them in a way that you get difference 18. So let this come here, difference 18, this one difference 18. You see, so this one came to drop and this one came the following week. So if this one came, this one is 1 to 90. Now, so 41. Now the 89 here will come. So the numbers are 75 repetition, 41 will come, then 89. The 89 will come as a constant number. So this 89 will just come as a constant number. So we go and pick this 89 and bring it. Now this is the magic wand. Now the numbers that are locking over here, the 50 and 8. You see, here is what? 7 and 64. You realize that the 7 over here came to be your last boss number over here, machine number over here. And the 50 over here also move here. So everything is vice versa. They interchange. So the 7 here came here. So the 50 also here, move here. If they move here, this 7 didn't counter. You see the 7 there? It didn't counter to 32. If you counter 32, then you will say 52 will counter to 52 will counter to what? 75. No. That is not the case. What happened rather was that the 7 went from wow, so there was a mistake here. So there was a mistake there. So sorry. That is not what I'm trying to do. So this 7, they came here. So the 7 rather counter to 32. So counter the distance, counter they cross, the 7 came here and then counter, you see. So the 50 over here also came here. So counter the 50 to 75. That is what I was trying to say, sorry. So use the counterpart. So use the 75 in addition to the numbers. Then the 64 over here, you can easily see that this 19 counter to 64. So add the 64 if you want. You see, so here to 19 was here, so we can easily counter. But I want to belong to that school of thoughts. What I want to rather do is that since the two numbers were here, you see, 27 log the two numbers, and here 2 log the two numbers over here, you see, and 7 moved to here, and I was coming to counter. Is the 64 that followed it? This 64 that followed it, you see. So if you come here and then the two numbers are 50 and 78, if the 50 move here and was coming to counter, is the 8 that must follow it. The 8 that must follow it. Alright, so thank you very much. Another wonderful opportunity again. My banker today is 41. Thursday, my banker is 41. 1 to 90 banker. 41.75 is my two shoot. You see, so 41, 75, 89. My bet numbers 41, 75, 89. My bet numbers. Then 41, 75, 89, 78. 41, 75, 89, 78. My best phone numbers. Then after that you can use 64 or 75. One of these two will drop. 64 or 75. And you can use them against these numbers. So my banker is 41. My two short is 41, 75. You see, my three direct is 41, 75, 89. My phone numbers is 41, 75, 89, 8. Then after that, my best phone number. Then 64 or 75 can also be used in addition to the numbers. So it will be 6 numbers. If you have the money, the means to PEM or add the 75 and 64 to these numbers and PEM. If you don't have the means, PEM these phone numbers. But 45, 75, 41, 75 is my two direct. That is my two show. It will not fail. Thank you very much for another wonderful opportunity. I'm grateful. Have patience. Great things are coming. Amen.